So, biko no weliwe. I hope na olum na put off ma. Can we run this program once and for all? So everything napped off Monday won. Ndị Igbo ana m ekele unu. Ọ nọ n'ụlọ ọnọdụ ozi ije ebe ụlọ onye nọ. Biko ọ ga-adịrị ndị Igbo na mma. N'ụbọchị nke dị taa, unu gere okwu nke m kwuru yesterday. Ama m na o mekọtara ọtụtụ ndị Igbo n'ahụ. Maka na ahụrụ m otu ndị Igbo si tụgharịa. Ma ndị na-akpọ m n'igwe, ma ndị na-echeki m through WhatsApp. Udo dịrị unu niile onye ọbụla n'ebe ọ nọ. Enwere ihe mere m ji tige vidio nọ na background. Maka na otu o si wee dịrị n'ụbọchị dị taa. Anyị kwesịrị ịma na ihe gbara ndị Igbo n'abalị ole gara aga ọ dị ikikere wụ na ndị Igbo kwesịrị ịnọkọta ọnụ dịka m si wee kwuo ya arụ ma ọ ga-ekwe ka m nwee ike iweretụ otu Chukwu siri nye m ikikere were duo ndị Igbo. But nevertheless, I would like to use Bekee because most of the people following the affairs of the Biafrans in Nigeria are not Nigerians. The entire world are following up, watching what is going on. I'm sorry that I waste most of your time. I made it public that I will be here by 10:30 German time, but it was quite unfortunate because I'm the only one managing my affairs in my studio. So the last video that I did, it was from my parlor. So today I decided to do it from my studio. But I'm the only one handling the technical side and the normal side of the program. That's why you see me moving helter-skelter. That's why you see me starting something before the time so that people will know that I will still come back online. So the only thing you will do for me now is to share this video, invite people, let them know that we are back. Arrested Nnamdi Kanu. You arrested one indigenous man, one of us. You did not arrest the entire indigenous movement. There is a reason why Nnamdi Kanu came out for the first place to treat the affairs of the Biafran people. Even Nnamdi Kanu is not even fighting only for the Biafrans. Nnamdi Kanu switched from Biafran affairs to the Nigerian affairs as a whole. So, what I'm trying to tell you people here is this. We must show solidarity. No matter if you hate Nnamdi, you like Nnamdi. I tell you people, I love my people to come on air to insult me, call me names, because insult has never been a crime in any part of the world. If you go to US, the most insulted leader on planet is from United States. The former president of United States, Donald J. Trump, was the most molested, insulted, mishandled by press and whosoever. Every damn shit human being will rise up and insult Trump. Did Trump use all the mechanism in his position to do away with those people? That's to tell you who is a democratic leader and who is a military leader. Do we have democracy in Nigeria? That's a question that we should be asking ourselves. Do we practice democracy in Nigeria? That's another thing. You know, imagine a country where insult is now a crime. It's now a crime. It's like depriving me from using my mouth to air my personal opinion as I am here now telling you people my personal opinion. What I feel is to show solidarity to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. All of us have been suffering from kidnapping in Nigeria. Isn't it so? Herdsmen attacking everybody. But Nigerian government has mastered kidnapping. Today, saying they went to a strange country to kidnap Nnamdi Kanu. Do you know that he was kidnapped? Nnamdi Kanu was injected with a high toxic medicine that made him to feel unconscious. He only wake up to see himself in Nigeria. Because normal extradition from country to country must pass through court. Nigeria kidnapped that guy. And the kidnapping of Nnamdi Kanu wasn't the perfect move of Nigerian intelligence services. No, it was the British government that single-handedly, sick and tired of Nnamdi destroying what they have established in Nigeria. They handed him over. Through, you know their way now, they will pass through a third party. Third party, they do their pongo, and things will happen. But Britain is guilty, because if British did not come clear on this thing, let me tell you people, if Britain is not involved in what happened to Nnamdi Kanu, Britain will stand up to sue Kenya, to sue Nigeria for kidnapping their citizens. Did you see them making that move? They are giving you what they call permit language. Permit language, so that all of you will remain calm. And their politicians and the Ohanes and Igbo are coming out. We will not tolerate any demonstration. We must demonstrate. It is your right as a citizen of Nigeria. The only way you have to complain that what they are doing to you is not suitable to you as an indigenous man, as the owner of the company, is by demonstration. You must go on the street to show solidarity to Nnamdi Kanu and all the whole people that are planning to demonstrate all over the world. Let me tell you people how to target, because every demonstration shouldn't be moving around the street. There must surely be a target. What is our target? We want Kenyan government to come clear. We want British government to come clean on all these things. That means all our demonstration will focus on British embassies all over the world, Kenyan embassy all over the world. Let them come out to explain to us what really conspired. How did they reach this agreement? Why should Britain sell out their citizen? Are you still safe to be a British citizen? Is British citizen a safe haven for you? I am proud to be a German. Do you know why? Let me give you one example. There is one Turkish journalist, German national, but origin from Turkey. He keeps on writing articles against his president Erdogan of Turkey in Germany. On a good day, he traveled to Turkey and was arrested and sentenced under 24 hours and jail. Wonderful. Did the German government, the great leader of the European Union, sleep? They use every material in their tools to press Erdogan to release that guy within 3-4 days. That's how a nation functions. Protect your citizens, not selling out your own people. Why should... Oh my God. I will advise you people. You know that Britain has pulled out of European Union. Ask yourself why. It's because of all this shit. Because of all this shit, Britain want to be doing all this bullshit. And they are planning also to pull themselves out of European Human Rights Court, so that Europe will not keep on dictating to them the main human rights affairs of humanity. The number one human rights country that respects human rights from beginning to the end is German government. If you prove it wrong, go ahead. Are you proud to be a British citizen? I am proud to be a German citizen, because my country can never sell me out. And if I've been kidnapped and they get the message that this guy has been kidnapped, either Nigerian government brings me back to German, or the economy of Nigeria will be turning to dust. They will finish them with sanctions. Not only German, the entire European Union will crumble Nigerian economy. That's how these things works. You are running away from your country, seeking refuge in a strange land. They accept you, give you their citizen to protect you. All of a sudden, the politicians bargain their business at the backyard and sell you out. What a rubbish. You have the right to demonstrate. Do you know why? Because you are the indigenous people. You are an indigenous man of that territory. Hold your ground. If the federal government will give every umbrella to protect the herdsmen of Nigeria, to leash out mayhem on that our territory, we have every right to protect ourselves. If your politicians like, they can talk whatever they like, we must do what we want. So, let me ask you people some questions. Are you ready? With the indigenous people in Nigeria, I'm not talking about the Igbos now. I'm not talking about the Biafrans. But I'm asking Nigeria as a whole. You see, funny things is going on. With the indigenous people of Nigeria, allow the Fulanis to take over the Nigerian territory. I mean the Fulanis of all Africa rushing into Nigeria. After all, Nigerian government has already made all of them Nigerian citizens through NIN. Do you know that the people from Chad, Niger, that Buhari is building bridges to connect them? As you are applying for NIN and they give you a piece of paper, the Niger and Chad citizens are already with Nigerian NIN ID card, all of them. Ask yourself, what is going on? What is going on? All of you are sleeping. All of you are quiet. Nnamdi Kanu has been arrested. He insulted the leaders. He insulted Nigeria. He was too arrogant. Is an insult a crime? Bring out the Nigerian constitution and show me where insults are now crime in Nigeria. They are charging him of illegal arm possession in Nigeria or in Britain. Am I holding any arms? I don't need it because I'm highly secured in this country. You don't carry arms around like Boko Haram and herdsmen in Nigeria, moving with machete. You can't see anything weapon in my possession. But charging him with the highest case on planet, somebody who is not living in Nigeria. Illegal arm possession, money laundering. To where? Do you want to tell me that Nigerian, what they call them, this financial crime, whatever, are more active than the European, British financial crime institution? It's absurd. Now you see the reason why they did not go through court to extradite Nnamdi to Nigeria, because they have nothing to prove to international court. They have nothing to prove to Kenyan court. They have nothing to prove to the British court. Rather, the only way is the number 2 Omaro Diko, kidnap him, bring him to Nigeria. We did not succeed during the Omaro Diko, we must succeed on that Nnamdi Kanu. Unbelievable. Is northern Nigeria of any benefit to the southern part of our country? It's my question. All our leaders are laying low, worshiping them. What are we getting in return? Nothing. Before I will continue, let me tell you the reason why you should be afraid in that country called Nigeria. You know, that is the reason why I spend time before I start this program. Like this page, invite people, invite your friend, share this video, let everybody comes in, let's discuss. I just want to make this video, this message known to everybody. Number 1, demonstration is a must to show solidarity. Will you demonstrate with us? That's my question. Organize your demonstration, and their target should be to the British Embassy and the Kenyan Embassy all over the world. So, the evaluation of the project designed and planned to hand over Nigeria to the Fulanis. Have you heard about this thing? Do you know that since 2015, Nigeria is being designed and organized, planned, set to hand over Nigeria to the Fulanis? Do you know that? Ask yourself, why should patriotic Nigerians back this movement? Our Senate are quiet. House of Reps are quiet. The Yorubas that I insulted yesterday, that I don't like them, if I said I hate Yorubas, that doesn't mean it's individual Yorubas. It's the Yoruba politicians. The Yoruba politicians that are baptizing this handover to the Fulanis. They are not handing over to the Hausas that are part of us. Hausa is part of us. We and Hausa has been there from the time immemorial, and nothing happened. We don't fight each other. We don't eat each other. Problem starts since the Fulanis penetrated our territory. So, since 2015, phase 1 of this project, Fulani take over all 3 organs of government. Look around. 3 arms of government. Is there anyone that Igbos are possessing? Is there anyone that Yorubas are possessing? Is there anyone that any other tribe, owners of indigenous Nigerians, are possessing? Check 3 arms of government. Tell me which one. Which one are we possessing today? That is phase 1 of 2015 agenda. Ask yourself, why should Obasanjo and his group support, kick against, and make sure that Jonathan loses power to bring in this agenda? Phase 2, Fulani takes over all arms bearing organ of security. Oh, my people. Look at Nigeria. Take a look. All the whole security apparatus of the Federation. If I'm wrong, put me right. Look at the whole arms of security apparatus of Nigeria. Even the Security Council of Nigeria, since independence, the first time that one tribe sees the whole security architect of Nigeria. If I'm lying, maybe it's propaganda. I am giving out propaganda in this channel. I am here now to throw out fantasy. But everything that I'm dishing out here today, I want you to go and investigate all of them. Investigate all of them. If you go to the Nigerian Senate, the people dominating, Senate president and everything is the same tribe. If you go to House of Rep, the people dominating, holding everything, the same tribe. If you go to the presidency, the people holding everything that place, the same tribe. If you go to police, if you go to military, if you go to Navy, if you go to Air Force, nah, check it. No. Oh boy, check it. That's why I'm doing this thing in English. I don't want to do it in Igbo. I want every citizen of Nigeria, even though you hate Igbo to the core, even though you hate Nnamdi to the core, even though you hate Biafran discussion to the core, go and research what I'm about to tell you here. Igbos want to dominate Nigeria. That's their plan. Igbos want to take over Nigeria. That's their plan. The only tribe that complains when things start moving wrong is the Igbos. The only people holding back the Fulani today, trapping them not to cross, is the Igbos. The only people revealing, opening every damn secret agenda is the Igbos. But you hate them with passion. Why must I like Igbo? Why must I allow Igbo? Igbo man should die. Nnamdi Kanu should be wiped away. Who is fighting for you? Ewu, Nama, cow. Who is fighting for you in Nigeria? Who dares to open their mouth to talk about your own freedom in your territory? I see some Benin people on Facebook. You have your free platform. It's only to insult, talk about rubbish against the Igbo people, molest the people that are defending you. The only tribe that defend other tribes in so-called the federation is the Igbos. Nnamdi Kanu has been adopted. Idoho, or whatever they call him, the other guy agitating from Yoruba land, was attacked. By which people? Who adopted Nnamdi? Fulani. Who sent their military to destroy Idoho? Fulani. Are you now free? Are you now seeing what I'm telling you? Your governors, your ministers, your politicians, all of them can no longer secure you. It's over. You know, these guys, we are coming gradually, and Yorubas, we are focusing on Igbos with their hatred, Igbo this, Igbo that. We are now in the same concom, the same cup. Let me continue. So, phase 3 of the secret agenda to take over Nigeria. Nigeria expects Fulani herdsmen ordered to surrender arms. Is that what you think? Is that not what all of us are thinking? As all of you, if you recall, when Nigerian government said that everybody that owns a gun in Nigeria should surrender it, that Nigerians are no longer allowed to carry arms because the security services and the security apparatus of Nigeria will now guarantee your safety. And I watch videos where the Northerners, the Hausas, single-handedly listen to their governors, Mumu, that has no foresight, that claim to lead you. People, I said, do debate before you give these people your vote. To know their IQ, to know how large is their brain, to know whether they can be able to understand what they call body language of your enemies. Igbos has been already disarmed years back. All our local producers of local guns and everything has been dismantled with the help of the villagers, handing them over to the police, telling the police who and who is molding gun in the community. We are all now naked. And what do you think? You are thinking that the federal government will ask the herdsmen to drop their weapon. Isn't it so? Okay, President made mention of that. That if Nigerian force see any herdsman with gun, kill him. As he mentioned that thing, somebody come and purified what the president meant. I believe that person was the commissioner of police. You should not kill, rather seize the gun from them. Since all these mayhems have been going on between farmers, villagers, and herdsmen, how many herdsmen are in prison? How many cows has been seized? Do you know the names of those people killing the villagers? Oh, no. Nigerian intelligence service cannot dictate them because they are in forest, but they can dictate when Nnamdi Kanu is moving from A to B. Wonderful. Wonderful. So, phase 4. Take over all funds and deprive others of access to money. Do you know that there was a time a bill is being, I don't know whether they don't pass it or they want to pass that bill in Senate. And I watch the senators, everything that comes in, they pass it. They don't even think for the security of their people. That bill says Let me, if something want to start, it starts with with something that you think it will not touch you. The bill stated that any account that is dormant in Nigeria with large sum of amount, dormant account, should be seized and the money should be borrowed to the federal government. How? It then means if you have 20 million naira and maybe you travel out or something happened, business wasn't moving, that account remained there without you using it. They will now put it as dormant account. The money is gone. Nigerians, wake up. Wake up. Your problem is not Nnamdi Kanu. Nnamdi Kanu is fighting for your freedom. Your problem is not Igbos. Igbos are here to make sure that you wake up and join the moving train for the benefit and freedom of all of our citizens. I mean, all of our indigenous people of that corner of Nigeria. So, number 5, physical occupation, Okada. These Okada drivers, our people drive Okada in various areas where they locate, isn't it so? Like people in Abia State are made to drive Okada in Abia State. People in Imo State, people in Lagos State, in Kaduna, Kano, all part of Nigeria. But now, do you notice that the Hausa Fulanis are now intruding, taking over the Okada business of every state and communities? Are you seeing that? Am I lying? I have seen a lot of them this time that I visited Nigeria. I don't drive Okada, but I see them moving people, speaking your language, and operating. Phase 6. Shorten the mouth of the Igbos. Shut their mouth. Where are we now? I will say that the mouth of Igbos that keeps on crying every day on this agenda, number 1 is Nnamdi Kanu. Number 2 is other groups talking around social media. What is happening today? The only areas where international leaders get direct contact with every affairs going on in Nigeria is Twitter. Due to one thing or the other, Twitter has been bound. Even now, they try to unbound Twitter from Nigeria. House of Rep veto it. It should remain that way. The next one, you think that it's only Twitter. Small time, the next one will be Facebook. They will ban Facebook. They will ban other social media. And they will now create their own for you to use. Shut up. Shorten the Igbos. Look, this agenda is moving as planned. But 2 of us can stop it. It's a very good strategy with poor tactics. It won't work. It won't work, my people. It's too late for them. So, what I'm saying now is this. Now is no longer the time to listen to your politicians. Now is not the time to look to anybody's face. They are torturing Nnamdi Kanu. They are torturing Nnamdi Kanu. Seriously. The little information we get is that they handcuff him, drop him on the floor, put on the air condition to the highest level so that he will catch pneumonia. But do you want to save the life of Nnamdi Kanu? I will tell you how to save the life of Nnamdi Kanu here now. Because they may poison him, they may give him injection that will affect his brain. I'm telling you the gospel truth. But all of us can stop all this movement. We must sue the federal government of Nigeria in International Criminal Court of adoption. We must sue the British government in International Criminal Court of selling out their citizens. And we must sue the Kenya government for allowing such adoption to happen in their territory. These things is something that we must do. But before we will do it, the more essential movement that will make the world to start looking into that matter is to demonstrate in every British, Nigerian, Kenyan embassy. Start demonstration. Because when Kenyan government start asking Nigeria question on what happened on their territory, Nigeria will not try to do any rubbish, foolish something. Because Kenya can sue Nigeria in ECOWAS court, in other courts, to make sure that they brought back that guy to their country so that he will be able to return. And British will also try to come clean upon they are fully involved on what happened. So, how do we do it? Are you a lawyer? Are you a lawyer? I'm looking around. I don't know whether IPOB is doing something on the ground, but I don't want this their propaganda. I don't want propaganda lies, copy and paste picture, because life of Nnamdi Kanu is at stake. I may not be a member of IPOB. I am not their member. Doesn't show or doesn't mean that I will not stand up when life of a blogger like Nnamdi will be threatened. A blogger was arrested in Belarus. European Union gave Belarus sanction. We must also challenge the European Union to sanction Nigeria on adoption of a blogger who is a British citizen, also an European citizen. We have a lot to do. The life of Nnamdi Kanu must be saved. We can also press Nigeria to release Nnamdi from that DSS prison to Nigerian normal prison where other people are located. Because British can kill Nnamdi Kanu in that prison. The way they kill Abiola, the way they kill other prominent Nigerians that want to fight for the freedom of their people. But we have every tools in our position to be able to do something different. Are you along? Now is not the time. I am this, I am that. Now is the time to focus on Nnamdi. Nothing else matters now. Our politicians, so we don't need them. We don't need them. You don't need to listen to them. Now it's time to focus. And I need some cool brains. Cool brains that can think to join me on my personal app where I do communicate with high rankings. It's called Trimmer. Get yourself Trimmer app. It costs money. I don't know, maybe I think €1 or $1.99. Pay, download the app. Configure the app. It's just you download it, you register. It's highly secured. I need cool brains to join me from IPOB, from IPOP, from MOSOP, from wherever it comes from. But that app is not something that anybody can join. It's a place where only invited people, because if I get 1, 2, 3, and those people know 5, 6, 7, and the other one know 8, 9, 10, we can handpick so that there will be no infiltration. I'm not even afraid of sabotage. I'm not afraid of people taking out the information that we are sharing there to other platforms. It's none of my business. My business now is to make sure that we join hand. History will remember us on that D-Day. What did you do when Nnamdi Kanu was arrested? What was your position? What can you do? You hate him. You don't like his doctrine. You don't like his movement. But we can do something right. We can do something right. Everything must not be on Facebook. Facebook should be where we should create awareness. But our normal discussion on things to do should be on the ground, underground. I am not a fan of throwing out everything on air. I want us to go underground. But I will be coming, discussing, motivating the Biafrans from all over the world to do the needful. But I need cool brains. A lot of people are writing me. A lot of people are contacting me. You have my WhatsApp number. If you check that number on this page, it's my WhatsApp number. Get into my WhatsApp. Tell me what you can do. Join the moving train and download that app. It's called Trima. Let me spell it for you. Let me see if I will be able to find the app here. Because now it's no longer the time to claim, are you IPOB? Are you MOSOP? Wazirike did not authorize us, because if they do away with Nnamdi, Wazirike is next. They said that shut the mouth of the Igbos. If you like, you think that it's only Nnamdi Kanu, all of us are involved. All of us are involved. We are all under the radar of the Federal Republic agenda to hand over our country to all the Fulanis operating in Africa will become Nigerian citizens. Most of them are already Nigerian citizens, So the app is called Trima. Let me come. The spelling of the app is THREEMA. T for Theodore, H for Holland, R for Russia, E for email, M for Maria or Martha, A for Armenia, America, or whatever you may call it. That is the name of the app. I have already set out a group where those cool brains will join for solid discussion. If you fuck up, I will kick you. I don't look face. No matter whatever you are bringing, I want us to focus. And this place won't be a place where you'll be sharing all those rubbish videos that are flying about. Here is to discuss something reasonable. If you want to get involved, if you want to write your name on those people that fight for the freedom of the indigenous people of Nigeria, because you helping to rescue Nnamdi Kanu, you are rescuing the indigenous people of Nigeria, not only the Biafrans. The name of the group is Ahamefula. It's Ahamefula. It's not IPOB. It's not whatever. It is Ahamefula. Please join me in making Biafra, in making indigenous people proud in their various corners of Nigeria. What can you do? If you know that you can't join this group, but you can organize demonstration, organize demonstration. Do one thing. Let the history remember you. Look at the video at my back. It is your brothers and sisters that were demonstrating. Nobody is remembering this video again. They killed them. Nigerian military shoot them. Can we do anything about it? Yes, we can do something. We can do something, my people. We can stop Nigeria from wasting the blood of our individuals. These youths they are killing, did they commit any crime? Is it their fault that they don't have job? Because if you have job, if you have something doing, you won't be demonstrating, you won't be on the street. What are you going to tell your employee? Is Nigeria creating jobs for their citizens? No. Imagine a country that want to borrow money to buy shares in Dangote's refinery. A country that are selling over 200 million barrels of oil per day. Per day. Want to borrow money to buy shares. Do you still want to remain under this type of umbrella? Do you still want to remain under this type of umbrella? I don't want to be part of it. I want my country to be, even though it's 10% of the Western style, Western method, even though it's 5% of this Western method, Western way of life. You know, if you are telling our people they are living in hell, they will tell you, what do you mean? Hell on planet? It's impossible. I'm surviving. My people, I will hand every Nigerian citizen certificate of survival because I cannot survive in that part of the nation. And I believe that no Nigerian living outside Nigeria will survive there. I came to Nigeria. I see that our people need certificate of powerful gene to sustain that cankerworm called Nigeria. We have the tools to sue every Nigerian chief of army staff, all these people killing our people. We can sue them. We can make Nigeria to import tear gas instead of using bullets to shoot their people. We can force the hand of Nigeria to import rubber bullets instead of using live ammunition on our people. How do we do it? There are institutions, international institutions, open there to deter Nigeria from taking the lives of these innocent people they cannot create job for. Nigeria is printing money. Billions and trillions of dollars are being stolen that belongs to the public. It belongs to this. Look at these hopeless groups moving, hopeless, because you don't know what tomorrow will bring. You are hopeless and everything about you is hopeless. Why can't we do something right? We living in abroad. Don't we have every tools to change things? Can't we do it? Are they not our people? Arresting Nnamdi Kanu, everybody's now doing as if you take sleeping tablet. Who gave you the sleeping tablet? Is it Nnamdi Kanu Biafra? Is it Nnamdi Kanu IPOB? Is it Nnamdi Kanu ESN? Is it Nnamdi Kanu the indigenous people? Nnamdi is only one person. And I'm telling the Nigerian government, arresting Nnamdi, 510 times Nnamdi will rise up. How many will you adopt? How many will you kill? How many will you seize? How many mouths will you shut? You can't do anything. You can't do nothing. But we living in US, Igbos living, even though Nigerians, let me not use again, let's leave Igboism of a thing. Nigerians, let me talk to you as one of you. It's true that Nnamdi Kanu want Nigeria to divide and separate. Why is Nnamdi Kanu demanding those things? Because Nnamdi Kanu was once a victim of Nigeria. He was born within the war. He suffered. He noticed. He experienced bad. He never has normal child lifestyle in Nigeria as he was growing up. And I believe you too, as a Nigerian, show me one thing that will make you proud to be a Nigerian. Sorry. Why should you single-handedly point out the Igbos as the problematic children of Nigeria? Look at your country. What are you proud of? You don't have road. You don't have electricity. You don't have pump water. Nothing. Ghana, Ivory Coast, all these small countries within Nigeria never experience what you are experiencing as a Nigerian. Express road, from beginning to the end, trailers of the Hausas blocked everywhere. no good road system. But you will be watching the Western world, how it works. Our country has 5 times large money than the Western countries. You are a farmer. Can you feed your family? Can you pay your bills? You are a government worker. What can you afford? Can your children go to park, go to cinema, live like somebody who is working for the betterment of your family? Are you a teacher? Have you received your salary? Do they pay you the way they're supposed to pay you? Do they take care of you? Are you a businessman? Is your business flourishing? Are you alive as a human? If you are sick, where do you go to hospital? That then, I visited those Nigerian hospitals. I noticed that Nigerian hospitals need Fensic and paracetamol to survive. Do you know how they are treating you? The Fulanis are converting Nigerians to become Alamajiri of the Federation. You are a Yoruba living outside Nigeria. Are you not seeing what is going on? Is Igbos your problem? You are Hausa living outside Nigeria. Are you proud of Nigeria? Even though your people are the one ruling, are you proud? I'm not against you. I don't hate you, but I hate the system that want to handcuff all of us and turn us to slaves. Are you from eastern part of Nigeria? What is your position in Nigeria? Are you welcomed, absorbed, accepted since after the war? Upon that, we are dividing ourselves in the east. Who is different from one another? They call of us Nyamini. Are you from west? Are you proud of Nigeria? Reading the history of the regional rule before and seeing what is happening today. Do you still want to be part of this concussion? We may not divide Nigeria, my people, but we may set things right. I am not a supporter of division because I have seen the potential in unity. That doesn't mean we should not govern ourselves. My own ideology is regional rule. We can set up regional rule. Federal Republic of Nigeria. Nigerian citizens, I'm talking to you. We can support, come together to set up regional rule. All the whole state in every region should become provinces. It's not bad. They should become province while we have our regional rule. Manage our affairs, manage our education, manage our economy, and pay tax to the federal government. Is that not democracy? If you come to where I'm living today, it's regional rule. Every region governs itself. And every region has a representative in the federal level, like the ambassadors of those regions that are representing them up there. Why can't we do it? Should we fold our arms until this house collapses? Maybe you are not supporting Nnamdi because Nnamdi want to destroy, but we must rename Nigeria. It's a must. We must rename Nigeria. It will no longer be Nigeria. We may call it something else, but it shouldn't be Nigeria. And we, Nigerians living outside, let us, I repeat, let us unite ourselves. Gather support to change the status quo back home. All of us are here. If you need donor, you go and buy donor. If you need burger, you buy the burger. If you like, you carry your bicycle, you ride, you go to the park, you relax, you feel as if people make those things to happen, isn't it so? Are there not people in Africa stealing your property to make their country better? And we are here. What are you giving in return to that country? Are you going to allow all these agendas that I read out here, that the Fulanis set out to take over our country, to come to pass? How long will the blood of our people keep on floating on the street? Now they have started attacking the Yoruba guy that is agitating. Do you think that it will end there? It will continue. In a short period, they will start shooting them on the street. But we can stop it. Because the only thing you use to control demonstration is tear gas, rubber bullet, not live ammunitions. We have the power to push Nigeria back to democracy. Nigeria is not a democratic country. Because in a normal democratic country, one tribe won't have it all. The agenda of the North is to make the Sultan of Sokoto the kingdom and the kingdom of Nigeria. You may not see it today, but it is still in the making. But we can dwarf all those plans. We can torpedo all these movements. And the only people that will rescue those back home is our people outside Nigeria. That's why I need cool-headed people. I may not be speaking big guess grammar. I may not be speaking grammatic whatever, but I'm proud that I'm standing here to fight for you. I'm not afraid of them back home. I respect them, but I don't fear them. They are my people. Even though in a family, 5 brothers may be quarreling due to misunderstanding. One may have cool head to call in a meeting and said, tell me what is your anger. Tell us why you guys want to kill each other. At the end of the day, you see that it's simple mismanagement. We have every institution in our palm to rescue our people back home. We have International Human Rights Court. We have Hague. We have International Court, where we can gather information, gather evidence against the leaders of Nigeria. You cannot sue Nigeria as a country. You can also sue Nigeria as a country indirectly. But you can sue all the whole individuals operating in Nigeria. We need to set out a new mechanism to fight for our people. There are lots of law firms in Western world that are ready to lobby on our behalf in the European Union, not this fake European Union that our people were doing before, or United Nations, whatever. No. I mean in an institution where they will be able to look into the Nigerian affairs and ask them to change course, or they start facing restriction in Europe. United Kingdom said that if there will be ring in election, or that people that will do whatever in election, they will deprive them from visiting UK. Do you think that they are talking to your politicians? They are talking to you people. Those things are not the way to make government to focus. We know how to make our government to focus. We should push them where they should focus. More especially, to stop them from killing our citizens. You know that the plans of the Western world, mostly the American scientists, is to reduce the population of Africa. And if you look into Africa, if demonstration is going on, they don't use tear gas. They use live ammunition, wasting the life of our people. Can any of you tell me how many IPOB member has been killed since Buhari took over this government? Is it 100, 200, 500, or is above thousands now? Buhari is on the street giving the, what would I say? Let me ask you people a question. I mean Nigerians. All of you hate Igbos. All of you hate the Biafrans. But all of you love the movement of Buhari by allowing the Boko Haram members that killed a lot of our people, turning them back into Nigerian military as rehabilitated citizens of Nigeria. They have killed a lot of Nigerians. They have killed a lot of military people. They have killed a lot of police. They have caused mayhem. They have destroyed Nigerian economy. I mean the Boko Haram people. But all their members that was arrested, even though during the time of Jonathan and the time of Buhari, has been so-called rehabilitated and hand over uniform of Nigerian military and send all of them back to service in Nigeria. Ask yourself, is that what you want? If they will do this thing with Boko Haram, why should they proscribe IPOB as terrorists? Why can't they, all the whole IPOB members in their prison yard, rehabilitate them and send them back to their families? No. The head of Boko Haram, where is he? If Nigerian intelligence has every tools in their position to adopt Nnamdi, what of somebody that I will mention here? You know that one of the ministers of Muhammadu Buhari is in American terrorist watch list. But he's a minister handling the intelligence documents of Nigeria. That one is the one we know. What of thousands that we don't know that are already operating as government officials? Are we still safe? The Chad president that helped Nigeria to fight Boko Haram, this president, that Chad or Nigeria, I don't know, one of them, that was killed, Nigeria did not send one representative to his burial. We are Nigeria happy that that guy killed a lot of Boko Haram? Now is the time to unite. Now is the time to come together to stop this rubbish going on in Nigeria. You know, I do these videos before. As Nnamdi Kanu came out, I just withdraw. But they have arrested him, I am back again. But I want to use the legal method to stop all this mess going around Nigeria. Can we do it? Can we do it? Can we do it? Answer me yes or no. Or all of you are lost already. Are we lost? Should Fulani go ahead, kill our people, their herdsmen, take over our lands, and we just, what are we going, what is the history going to write? That we just surrender without a fight. We should fight for our right. We are the indigenous people. Now is not the time to bring military. Now is not the time to bring force into our territory. Now is to use something that is here to stop that rubbish going on there. Because you never create job for all these youths. You don't care about them. But whenever they complain of hunger, you will cock your gun and take their life. Is that how it works? But you living in outside Africa, when something happens to you, you cry foul. Why must our people die? Why must these people die? Why are they agitating? Because it's after the war. Nigeria never fulfilled the agreement they have with us. Nigeria never absorbed the eastern region to Nigeria. Nigeria never renovated, never be part of them, nothing. All the leaders ruling those areas are single-handedly picked by the Northerners to place them in the position of leadership, to rule over the people. They don't care about their people. They don't care. They seize nobody. Am I lying? Is that an allegation? It's not an allegation. Our governors are paying compensation to herdsmen that they kill their cows. Who is paying compensation to all those people that they killed? Who cares? In Imo State, accidental discharge, bullet of the Nigerian military and police force killed a lot of individuals moving on the street. Did anybody visit their family or place of to pay a compensation? Nothing. Who cares? Because that any leader that loves their people will never allow such a thing to come closer to them. Please, my people, let us stop talking. Let us start doing something. Stop listening to stories. Be part of the making. Stop waiting when, hey, they say this guy and they talk now pass. Hey, they say this guy now. Hey, if you hear the way he talk, be part of the making. Now is no longer the time. Let us gather. I need cool brains. I don't want anything to be here on social media. I need cool brains. Let us join hands in working together. My program is being stopped. I don't know whether you are still seeing me, but I received a notification that I'm being disconnected. I don't know whether I'm still live. Let me see. I don't know whether I'm still live, but I'm seeing something that I'm no longer live. But nevertheless, I believe that I have talked enough, and we should make move. We should make move. Write to me. Write to me. Contact me via WhatsApp. And if you have something tangible, I will now tell you to go and get that app. It's not free. The app is highly secured, but it's not free. It costs, I think, €1 something, $1 something for you one time. You only once. You pay, it's yours, then we can be able to discuss way forward. No longer social media. I just want to take this into a different cause. Let us do it. Can we do it? We can do it. I trust you people. I love you. I'm nobody. I'm nobody. But I want us, you that is well educated, you that is lawyer, you that is a medical doctor, you that is nurse, you that is a government worker, home and abroad, you can do something. I just want to hand over a very powerful tools so that we can utilize it and write our name with golden pen as people that brought in something good. Everybody is talking about Zik of Africa. Everybody is talking about Awolowo. Everybody is talking about Tafawa Balewa. Everybody is talking about whatever. They are people like you, and these people assume power when they are still young. We can do something different, my people. Not only talking. If you see everything that is happening in Nigeria, there is no one case that Nigeria is answering in the international community upon their wasting the lives of their people. No one case, none. But we can make it happen. We can make it happen. Let us stop Nigeria from talking to their citizens with bullets. Let us make them to use their mouth to talk to their citizens. If you value your life as a leader, if you are afraid, if Nnamdi Kanu try to go aggressive, every Nigerian has the right that you have. Every Nigerian is afraid as you are afraid. Every Nigerian is human being as you are. If you don't want to accept it, we must hammer it inside your brain until you accept it. It's a must. But bear in mind that we must surely go to regional rule. Thank you, my people. God bless you. Remain blessed. I am still your servant. The only thing you will do for me is to like this page, share this video, invite people so that whenever I come on air to air something like this, you will get notification and join the moving train. But don't forget, please, if you cannot join the thinkers and people that may bring out a very powerful solution, because we should stop talking. Awareness has been created. Now it's time to implement things. We need to start implementing things, both home and abroad. It's not the time to choose group. Nothing like group. Because indigenous people shouldn't be a group of a 10. Indigenous people should be like air that floats, that you can't hold. They are there. You breathe them, you wave your hand, you feed them, but you can't hold them. That is the indigenous people that I want to create. Not only indigenous Biafra, indigenous Nigerians. That group that I created, do you know the meaning of the name? My name should not lost. Ahamefule is our group. Not the group of whatever, the thinkers that will bring out the better solution to this movement. You know, I am a bridge builder. I started by asking all the various Biafran groups to come together. But now, I'm no longer in position to beg nobody. I'm not in position to beg nobody. I'm in position to set out something that will bring something good to our people. Take it or you leave it. Now it's not the time to choose, point finger, this one, that one. Now it's time to do something right. If Nigeria is too big, too large for us to break, but we can still be free while living in Nigeria. Why can't we try that? I believe in step by step. I want to place our people the way Scotland is living under United Kingdom. They have their parliament, they have their government, they have their school, they have everything that a country has. They manage their affairs, they manage the economy. Yes. I don't know what is going on. Everything is like my system is under attack. Nobody see me again, but my voice is going through. Oh, I don't know. Maybe I may be back. I don't know. But my people, let us do something. Whether you are seeing me, whether you are not seeing me, but you are hearing my voice. Can we do it? We can do it. Thank you very much. God bless you. Remain blessed and bye-bye for now.